One of the features of our programs is that training is intimately connected with industry. So we actually have industry people coming in and helping with the delivery of the training. In fact, they actually set the agenda.
Ideally, you'd want to have students who can be more industry ready and start up. Generally, industry's view is that students are not ready for a career in industry and they're not well enough trained, and so the things like the GRIP program, where we're giving them effectively what they would get in a graduate program of a company, so that they can immediately start work and be able to manage projects, work at time effectively, reporting, understand budgeting, understand patents and law.
Clearly from the discussions I've had, the presentations I just heard from present and former PhD students and so on, then they really enjoyed it, the companies enjoyed it, some of them have employed the same people, and so it's a scale model of what we should be doing across the country.
Chemistry is a great enabler, but we need to make a clear link between chemistry and the customer. So chemistry provides a real boost to the economy because the chemistry is relevant to the customers who actually use it. So clear line of sight between chemistry and the customers is of ongoing importance for that chemistry to be viable and to actually do its job.
GRIP is working to put more PhD qualified researchers inside of industry, and that's one of the fundamental things that we need to do in this country in order to get larger amounts of investment from industry into research and development. Basically, you don't invest in R&D if you don't have researchers working inside your company, and GRIP's really working to transform that over a period of time.
Well, in this case, the GRIP program in particular is a business-led and research-led approach for the students. That means they understand the company, they understand the research attributes that are required of the companies. They also undertake a very key research question, and so collectively they are very well trained for entering a research organisation and a business organisation.
From a recruitment point of view, we were quite keen to be involved in the program because we need to get our name out there as a potential employer of chemists and chemical engineers. And so to have exposure to the whole cohort of the program, the 20 or so PhD researchers involved, we were able to sort of fly the Dulux flag, so to speak, but also have them visit our site and understand what it is like to work for Dulux and what our industry involves.
So what I've found in the two groups is that academic and industry actually speak different languages. So it's also been really valuable to see how they operate and also what their bottom line is. So in academia it's very different. It's about publishing papers, it's about PhD completions, whereas in there it's more about the commercialisation aspect. So how do they get the information for a patent, or how do they actually get funding in to be able to support them?
It's all of those opportunities for industry to be able to gain access to the university's resources and people. And of course through the university, because of Monash's reputation, we also attract very high calibre applicants to these programs.